Look at that. Oh, it's so loud. Woo! Woo! Yeah, the lightning is striking, and the thunder. It's so loud outside, but we can't hear the thunder. I closed the window. Grabe. Oh my, it's like rolling in the sky. Malakas. Malakas yung thunder. Tsaka yung lightning. So, the thunderstorm is coming. You can just see the thunderstorm right there. Okay guys, we're just going to eat our lunch. So,
it's starting now?
Not yet. So I'm going to put this video in the bedroom so that they're gonna see it. Because we're going to eat. So niluto natin. Our ulam is pusit. This one, pusit.
Oh, raining na.
Yan, ang aming ulam ngayon. This is our viand for today. Ulam, pusit. Yan ang baunin ni Habi. Yan. Hi, Minnie! Hi, Minnie Martinez. The thunderstorm is starting right now. So let's go to the other room. Oh, it's dark in here. Oh, I think, Daddy, the bintana here is open. Oh no, it's starting to rain here. Look at that. Nakabukas yung isang bintana, Dad, dito. So the other sliding window is open. Daddy, mabasa tayo, Daddy. Paano daw? Pasarado, Dad, dito. Dad, pasarado dito sa kwarto. The other window glass is open. Papasok dito sa may ano. Ayo, come. Dito. Bukas dito, oh. Papasok yung tubig. Oh, see. It's open. Kailangan masarado yun. Papasukin tayo ng tubig. Ayan. Woo! Hihey. Ay, ano ba yan? Ayan na. Umulan na nga. Oh. Oh. It's, lakas. Sa kabilang kwarto, Dad. Is it close in there? Oh! Ayan. Oh, can you see that? Uh-oh. Yan, iwan ko lang siya dito. Makita niyo dito. Ayan. Ay. Lakas. It's a thunderstorm. Ay! The lightning is striking again. It's be careful out there, guys. So later we go to school. We have to wear our rainy gears. Big love shout out to our live viewers. Thank you for tuning in. So right now you are witnessing the thunderstorm. It's severe. It says in the weather updates, and thunder and lightning are striking out there. We can't barely hear the. We can just barely hear the sound of the thunder because we are fully closed here. Oh, but I don't know if you can still hear the